Hey guys, it's Michael again, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can actually become the preferred provider for home health services, for home care services, or hospice for physicians in your area. And that right there is what we're going to be talking about in this video. If you want to be able to leverage your home health agency or your hospice company to become the preferred provider of choice by physician groups or private practices, you are going to be able to benefit from this by being able to get more referrals from them. One of the best ways to do this is to be able to focus your message on the benefits that your agency, your company can provide these physicians. You need to be able to show how you can differentiate your company and your organization by providing more services for patients, because ultimately your goal as a company is to be able to provide amazing care for these clients. By you adding more services than the typical, normal, expected services of other agencies that is required by home health agencies, there are a lot of reasons why physicians will be able to agree to put you into that preferred provider list. One thing that can be done is accountability. Your message to the physician should point out that narrowing the field to one preferred agency or several or few preferred agencies can vastly simplify the physician's oversight and communications on home health cases. You want to be able to show the physician and let them be aware that it is easier to just contact 1, 2, or even 3 agencies when he has patients that needs these services, rather than spreading out all of the patients, all of his clients, to more than 3 facilities, or 4, 5, or even 20. This makes it difficult for him on who he needs to communicate to or whom his staff needs to communicate to. By having accountability, by having only a few agencies that can actually provide the best care at the same time as to be able to communicate well with the physician, will make his or her job way easier. There is also familiarity. Physicians will be more familiar with your staff, with your services, with your team, with your procedures, at the same time as it goes on reverse, where your company will be more familiar to what that physician wants because you're caring for more of his clients. Remember this, it is not just quantity, but the quality of care. You want to be able to gain multiple referral sources, multiple referrals from these physicians, but at the same time as to be able to show quality services. And honestly, I believe in more than just quality, because everyone out there is claiming that they have quality service. You need to be able to show these physicians that you want to provide above quality, more than the normal expectations or care that should be given to these patients. Now, remember this, when you enter into becoming a preferred provider of a physician group and private practices, you want to be able to make sure and take a little guidance in regards to the anti-kickback and Stark's laws out there. So when you are giving them something such as, for example, memo pads, pens, and etc., those free items that we normally say is for free, we need to be able to make sure that there is a relatively low value and that anything you give them does not exceed $300 per year total. So if you have pens that you're giving out to this physician practice, you better make sure that you're not giving him more than 300 pens, because some of these pens are worth more than $1. So you want to be able to make sure that you are monitoring this. You need to either use a CRM system that is cloud-based, or it's in your computer or an app, or maybe you just need to use a basic paper trail or Excel sheet. You want to be able to make sure that you keep tabs on what you are giving them and what you are providing their staff, okay? The next thing, also, don't you ever tie in the referrals with free goods or free items. Items should not in any way take into account the volume or the value of the physician referrals to agencies. Never ever, do not discriminate. Do not discriminate give any promotional items or services to all physicians in your area, even those who are not even referring to your agency. Everything should become equal. If you are giving this physician 3 pens, and they give you referrals, you better give 3 pens to the other physician that you visited, even though they have never even given you a single referral. Never, ever, ever give non-monetary compensation, such as a business lunch or any gift cards. Or now, if you are able to comply with these rules, these basic criteria, and avoid violating these limitations, you can gain protection from any potential problems. You want to be able to make sure you maintain your relationships, but never put them in danger or put yourself in danger. Never pay for referral, okay? Never match a referral with something of a giveaway. Everything has to be done equally. You want to be able to be fair. You want to be able to make sure that you run your company, your marketing strategies, and not closing its door. Make sure that you know the Starks laws from front to back. Read it. Listen to it. Do whatever you need to do and know these laws. Getting into a physician company is easy, right? You can just walk in and have a conversation. But that is far from the truth of getting those referrals. It's easy to walk in. It's easy to introduce yourself, okay? Some people can't even do that, right? But it's a matter of creating a relationship that you need in order for them to trust you and to start giving you referrals. And what I want to be able to do is, as you start watching more of our videos, you're going to start getting more knowledge, gaining more knowledge in order to be able to have a successful marketing program, which then increases your referrals, which then increases the profits of your companies. So just keep on watching more of our videos. That's our main goal here at Home Health Success Academy. If you have any questions, let us know. Always understand one thing, and that is home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.